Excuse me? What do you know about credit scores?
Not very much. Also, who said that?
I did. Do you know what a good credit score is?
12?
No.
100.
No.
4 out of 5.
No. Allow me to explain. A credit score is a 3-digit number that's calculated by credit bureaus and gives banks, credit unions, and landlords an idea how likely you are to pay your loan or rent on time. Most scores are between 300 and 850.
But the higher the better, right? I always like to score as many points as possible.
Excellent. Having a low score means you could be turned down for a loan. And if you're somewhere in the middle,
You still get the loan?
sometimes, but you'll have to pay more interest, and that's not good because it costs you more in the long run.
So, what goes into a credit score, Credit Squirrel?
I'm glad you asked. Each credit bureau has its own calculation, but it basically goes like this. 35% is based on payment history. If you make payments on time, it's good. 30% is based on capacity. This shows how much of your available credit is being used. If you're close to maxing out the credit limit on your credit cards or other lines of credit, it's not good, even if you've been making regular payments on time. 15% is based on length of credit. The longer you've been using credit, the clearer the snapshot of your credit habits. This is your credit history. 10% is based on new credit. If you open lots of credit cards or loans in a short amount of time, you look risky. Lastly, another 10% is based on the types of credit you use. This is your mix of credit cards, including retail store cards, bank and credit union cards, plus student and auto loans and mortgages. And that, my friend, is the breakdown of a credit score.
Thanks, Credit Squirrel. That was very helpful.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Yes. How do you know all this, and also how come you can talk? Thanks, Credit Squirrel. Oh look, Credit Squirrel forgot his tiny hat.